case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In City of Arlington v. Fed Commc'ns Comm'n, a 2013 Supreme Court case, the court had to examine whether the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, had been granted the power by Congress to interpret and regulate wireless siting applications under the Telecommunications Act of 1996. The act limited the authority of state and local governments to regulate the location, construction, and modification of wireless facilities, and empowered the FCC to prescribe such rules and regulations as may be necessary in the public interest to carry out its provisions. At issue in the case was whether Congress had specifically delegated interpretive authority to the FCC over certain provisions of the Act related to state and local governments' ability to regulate wireless siting applications. The court held that Chevron deference, the idea that a court should respect an agency's interpretation of a law that falls under its jurisdiction if the interpretation is reasonable and within the agency's delegated authority, should not have been granted to the FCC's interpretation without first determining whether Congress had granted the agency the necessary interpretive authority. As a result, the court required the Fifth Circuit to decide whether Congress had indeed granted the FCC interpretive authority over the provisions in question, rather than simply assuming it had.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.